Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Elephants, evolution, and one sneaky selection question. Watch this quick breakdown and you will see exactly why the surviving trait becomes more common over time. The key change is the higher proportion of tuskless females after heavy hunting. So we're explaining a shift in trait frequency across the population, not a brand new trait appearing. Since elephants were hunted for tusks, tusked females were more likely to be killed, while tuskless females were more likely to survive and reproduce, passing their genes to more offspring. That means natural selection increased the tuskless allele's frequency over generations. So the explanation that matches survival and reproduction is option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, do not rush signs. Rule, trust the given evidence and check which choice actually follows survival and reproduction.